Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sweet kefir. Start by sterilizing jars and measuring milk and grains so you can work cleanly. I will guide you through fermentation timing, tasting for tartness, and adding sweeteners safely. Expect practical tips on temperature control, jar handling, and simple troubleshooting. This friendly walkthrough makes homemade sweet kefir approachable and enjoyable whether you are new or have tried culture. Allow kefir to ferment until it reaches the tang you like, tasting periodically so you learn the rhythm. Maintain consistent temperature and avoid metal contact with grains during straining. I'll describe visual cues like thickness and slight effervescence to know when it's ready. After straining, you can gently rinse grains only if necessary, then feed them fresh milk to keep them lively for future batches. Sweeten your kefir after fermentation to control flavor and protect the culture balance. Start with a small amount of honey or syrup and taste, then add more if desired for a milder or sweeter profile. Consider blending in vanilla or fruit for layered flavors, and chill the kefir to improve texture and taste. These simple adjustments help you craft a sweet kefir that fits breakfast, snacks, or recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.